Hi everyone, this is Miss Joelle with your third Tech Tip Tuesday. So today I'm going to show you how to force people to make a copy of something that you're linking. So like let's say you have an assignment. So I'm going to show an example of this hyperdoc that I made. So basically in this hyperdoc, I need kids to be typing, right? They need to have their own copy of this. They can't all be in my copy. They need to each be able to edit their own. So what I'm going to do is I am going to link this in an assignment, and I'm going to do that by clicking the share button. And I'm going to change this so that anybody with the link can view. I prefer it that way so that it's not just tied to a certain district in case people are logged in differently. So I clicked copy to copy that link. And now in my assignment, I'm going to go ahead and highlight where I want it linked, click link to URL, and then I'm going to paste that. Now, the only thing you have to do, it is so easy. In order to force them to make their own copy, you just have to delete the word edit, only those 4 letters. So you delete edit and you type the word copy instead. Now I click insert link. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to keep my submission type as either text entry or file uploads. You could just do text entry if you want, and I'll show you how they'll submit it in a second. So I'm going to save and publish. And what's going to happen, let me actually go in as a student now. So from my student view, I'm going to go into my assignment. I'm going to find my hyperdoc. I'm going to click here to begin working, and you'll see now that it is forcing me to make a copy. So this way you don't have to tell your students like, oh, you need to make sure to make a copy, because you know, some of them will forget or won't know how to do it. This way, all they literally have to do is click the make a copy button, and it will create them their own copy in their own drive. So now what they can do is they can come in and they can type, and they'll watch the videos here and they'll fill in what they need to fill in. Cool. Now they're done with the assignment. They are going to now click submit. And they can either do this as a Google Drive file upload, or you can just have it on text entry and they'll go to the external tools and go to their Google Drive. And then because they just worked on this assignment, it'll pop up right here on their recent, so you can see that this is their copy. So they'll go ahead and click that, they'll attach it, and then it'll pop up here and it'll be ready to submit. What I want you to also notice is you can do this anytime that you are sending someone a link. So like if you are sharing a link to an assignment with a colleague or a friend or whatever, and you just want to make sure that they don't accidentally type in your master copy, just send them the link. So like even if I was going to just send an email or whatever, I could, here, I'll just pull up a fake email real quick. So I could literally just send them this link and then just click edit and change it to copy. So now whoever I'm emailing this to is going to get their copy of the document, and it will force them to copy it so that they don't actually accidentally write on yours. So I hope that was helpful. Please be in touch if you have any questions.